Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have started learning about the glass and their uses, different types of the glass. Under that, we have seen first type of the glass, that is silica glass, and this is produced by using the silica items, and made up of the silica glass shows NS minimum expansion on heating, and it is not affected by acid and alkali, and because of this property, this glass is used in the laboratory to make the glasswares. Now next type of the glass is borosilicate glass. In borosilicate glass, it is formed using the sand, soda, boric acid and the aluminum oxide. So as the borosilicate, so you can remember by yes boric acid, means in borosilicate glass there is a boric acid and aluminum oxide. Boric acid and aluminum oxide is there. This glass does not show any effect on medicine. This glass do not show any effect on medicines. Hence, the bottle made up of borosilicate glass are used in the pharmaceutical industry to store the medicines. Now, borosilicate glass, it do not react with the medicines. That's why it is useful to store the medicines. Alkali silicate glass. Now next type is the alkali silicate glass. Alkali silicate glass is produced by heating the mixture of sand and soda. इसके अंदर क्या मिक्स किया जाता है? सैंड एंड सोडा को हीट करके फॉर्म किया जाता है. At this, as this glass is soluble in water, this is also called as the water glass. Now this glass is soluble in water, so that's why it is also called as the water glass. Now fourth type, lead glass. Lead glass is produced by melting the mixture of the sand, soda, limestone and lead oxide. Lead glass is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, limestone and the lead oxide. Being very clear, transparent, it is used in manufacturing of the lights, bulb and tubes. This glass is very transparent. That's why to manufacture the electric bulb and tube light, this glass is used in it. Now optical glass. Optical glass is produced from the mixture of the sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. Okay, this type of the pure glass is useful in production of spectacles, lenses, microscopic lenses, etc. Now yes, optical glass. So this optical glass used in the optical devices. For example, in the microscope, in the lenses and in the specs. Now sixth type, colored glass. Next type is the cuddle glass. Colored means different type के colors के glass. Soda lime glass is colorless. Soda lime glass is colorless so as to impart a desired color. Oxides of the specific metal is mixed during manufacturing process. जो सोडा लाइम जितने भी हैं ग्लास वो क्या होते हैं? कलरलेस होते हैं. तो टू गिव द डिजायर्ड कलर, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक मेटल्स आर एडेड. अलग अलग टाइप के क्या है मेटल का ऑक्साइड उस ग्लास में ऐड करते हैं. Ferrous oxide is mixed to get the bluish color and copper oxide to get the red glass. अब देखो, अगर ब्लू कलर अगर हम लोगों को उस ग्लास में लाना है, then we add the ferrous oxide, and if we want the red color, then copper oxide is mixed. Seventh one, processed glass. Okay, seventh one is the processed glass. So as to improve the quality, some processing is performed on the glass, and various types like reinforced glass, plain glass, fiber glass, pane glass, translucent glass, etc. are produced. अब जो है इसकी यूटिलिटी और क्वालिटी, ग्लास की यूटिलिटी एज वेल एज क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए सम प्रोसेसिंग्स आर परफॉर्म्ड ऑन ग्लास. some processings are some processings are done. The plain glass, fiberglass, pane glass, translucent glass are produced, and they are, that's why called as the processed glass. Effect effect of glass on environment. Effect of the glass on environment. Effect of glass on environment. Environment पे glass का effect क्या होता है, that we have to see now. इफेक्ट ऑफ द ग्लास ऑन एनवायरनमेंट. अब ग्लास का इफेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट में क्या है, दैट वी हैव टू सी. While glass production mixture need to be heated up to the 1500 degrees Celsius, during this the greenhouse gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide are released through the burning of the fuel. As the glass is non-degradable, if the pieces of the waste glass material flow into the water body, it may affect the ecosystem. ओके. अब जो ग्लास है वो नॉन डिग्रेडेबल है, वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं है. अगर हमने उसके पीसेस को, ग्लास के वेस्ट के पीसेस को वाटर के अंदर फ्लो होने दिया, उसमें रिलीज कर दिया, तो इट में अफेक्ट द इकोसिस्टम. सिमिलरली ड्रेनेज में भी ब्लॉक ड्यू टू दिस पीसेस, और ड्रेनेज जो है, गटर जो है, वो जैम हो सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पीसेस ऑफ द ग्लास. Try this. Perform the activity of the फॉर्मिंग द बेन ट्यूब अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ योर टीचर. अब तुमको बेन ट्यूब बनाना है, तो बेन ट्यूब बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, ये से जो है कैपलरी होती है, पतली सी ग्लास की ट्यूब होती है. ओके. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको फ्लेम पे, उसको फ्लेम के नज़दीक लाते हैं, और उसके बाद में वो क्या होता है, हॉट हो जाता. हॉट होने की वजह से वो ग्लास सॉफ्ट हो जाता है, और उसके बाद हम लोग उसको बेंड कर देते हैं, तो उस ट्यूब को हम बोलते हैं बेंड ट्यूब. ओके. So now this chapter is completed. Now we will start the next lesson. Okay student, unmute yourself, and if you have any doubt ask to me, then I will proceed for the next lesson. Okay, student, tell me, do you have any doubts? Okay, student Tuba, Shahid, Muskan, Nur Bano, Rana, do you have any doubts? Okay, student. Now, yes, I will start the next chapter.